Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to transfer your Google Play Store balance to your PayPal account. Let's get started. While there's no official way to transfer your Google Play Store balance to PayPal, it is still possible by contacting an agent from Google Play Store. So first, open your Google Play Store and click on your profile picture on the top right corner. Then just scroll down until you see Help and Feedback. Then just scroll down again and click on Contact Us. This will bring us to a new tab to answer some questions. So let's type in here transfer balance. And then just click on Next. And then here just click on Transfer Account Content. And then for the area, click on Google Play Apps. And then let's just keep on clicking Next Step. So for the contact options, I recommend that you choose the chat option so that a real-time agent can assist you with addressing your concern. So just click it, and then you just need to fill out the information form provided, submit it, and then wait for the agent to reach out to you and help you transfer your balance to your PayPal account. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.